Good morning, students. Students, today I want to discuss along with you the human male reproductive system. Before it, I want to discuss what is puberty. Now, students, I want to tell you that puberty is the age duration of the lifetime of or lifespan of an individual, either he is a boy or she is a girl, in which she or he attains sexual maturity. Means at this stage their sexual organs are becoming mature and they are going to start to produce male or female gametes, as well as the individual becomes sexually mature. Then we can say that it's puberty. I mean to say that this is the age at which an individual, either male or female, attains sexual maturity. Now I will discuss male reproductive system with you. Now, what is male reproductive system and what are its various parts? ठीक है, तो generally I want to tell you that human male reproductive system contains three major parts. The first major part is called primary sexual organ, which is called testis. The second important part are called accessory ducts. These are epididymis, vas deferens, or rete testis, or urethra. ठीक है, and along with it, it has one external genital organ which is called as penis, and there are some few accessory ducts which help in the secretion of sperm too. ठीक है, now one by one we will discuss about them. तो male reproductive system consists of a portion that produces germ cells and other portions that deliver the germ cells to the site of fertilization. तो बेसिकली इन अनदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट, तो दो इसके पास मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं. एक तो वो स्ट्रक्चर जो मेल गैमेट यानी स्पर्म के प्रोडक्शन में हेल्प करेगा, एंड दूसरा वो स्ट्रक्चर्स जो इस स्पर्म को ट्रैवल करने में मदद करेंगे फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक के पास और फर्टिलाइजेशन की प्रोसेस में हेल्प करेंगे. तो इनिशियली आई विल टॉक अबाउट द प्राइमरी सेक्सुअल ऑर्गन विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेस्टिस. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? एंड if in plural form it is written as TES testis, or in singular form it is written as TES. ठीक है, if I will talk about testis, तो testis is the oval shape structure and these are also called primary reproductive or sexual organs in man. And a human being contains one pair of testis which are located into a sac like structure which is located outside the body. ठीक है, and called as scrotum. So here in the figure I can show you, this is the called scrotum. Here it is a bag like structure or sac like structure which is just located outside the human body. And I want to tell you that why scrotum is containing these testes outside the body, because there is a reason behind it. As we know that the human temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius, and the temperature which is required for the production of sperm is a little bit 2 डिग्री लेसर देन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है, यानी स्पर्म बनने के लिए 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर चाहिए जो कि बॉडी टेम्परेचर से कम है. सो दैट्स वाई बॉडी से बाहर एक पाउच लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जिसको कि सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर जिसको कि स्क्रॉटम कहते हैं, इसमें आपका टेस्टिस होती हैं ताकि ईजिली क्या कर सके स्पर्म और एज वेल एज मेल सेक्स हार्मोन जिसका नाम की टेस्टोस्टेरोन होता है उसका प्रोडक्शन कर सकें. ठीक है, सो इफ समबडी इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू दैट व्हाई टेस्टिस इज लोकेटेड इनटू द स्क्रॉटम, so you may ask that, you may answer that to reduce temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, which is efficient temperature for the sperm production as well as the production of the sex hormone testosterone. ठीक है, now the second structure is called epididymis. Epididymis is a tube like structure. ठीक है, it is a coiled tube like structure firmly attached to the testis. एक्चुअली रेटे टेस्टिस निकलती है आपकी टेस्टिस से एक फाइन ट्यूब जो कि अटैच्ड होती है आपकी एपिडिडाइमिस से. एंड तो ये कॉइल ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है एपिडिडाइमिस. ठीक है, ठीक है, विच सर्व्स एज स्टोर हाउस ऑफ द स्पर्म. तो यहाँ पे टेस्टिस में स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन होने के बाद थोड़ी देर के लिए स्टोर हो जाता है एपिडिडाइमिस में. एंड इनसाइड द एपिडिडाइमिस स्पर्म बिकम मैच्योर एंड डेवलप मोटिलिटी. तो फ्रॉम हेयर यानी कि इनसाइड द एपिडिडाइमिस द स्पर्म बिकम्स मैच्योर एंड अटेन्स मोटिलिटी, मीन्स लोकोमोशन करने की एबिलिटी को अटेन करता है. नाउ द सेकेंड डक्ट इज कॉल्ड वास डिफरेंस. द sperm carried by a long tube called as vas deferens or sperm duct into an organ called seminal vesicle, where the sperm gets nourished and stored. Now here in the picture you can see that this is the testis and here you are observing a comb-like structure is there, a very thick tube. This is called epididymis. Now from here it is opening into a long tube which loops over the lower abdominal region, and this is called as vas deferens. And from vas deferens the sperm passes into an structure which is called as seminal vesicle. You are observing here. Here in the seminal vesicle the sperm gets nourished and temporarily stores for some time. Is it clear? And the last structure is called urethra. ठीक है, urethra is a common duct from where urine and sperm both can pass, and it is also called as sperm duct. ठीक है, the sperms are carried by a long tube called vas deferens, and from vas deferens it passes into the urethra. Urethra is a common duct for the passage of both urine and spermatic fluid. ठीक है, and urethra carries the sperm to an organ called पेनिस. तो यूरेथ्रा स्पर्म को पेनिस तक लेकर के जाती है. पेनिस इज द एक्सटर्नल जेनिटल ऑर्गन ऑफ द ह्यूमन मेल. ठीक है, एंड पेनिस ओपन्स आउटसाइड द बॉडी थ्रू मेल जेनिटल पोर्ट. तो यानी पेनिस से होकर के स्पर्म बॉडी से बाहर रिजेक्ट कर दिया जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट इज पेनिस? पेनिस इज द एक्सटर्नल मेल जेनिटल ऑर्गन. इट इज़ अ कॉपुलेटरी ऑर्गन विथ थिक मस्कुलर वॉल. तो बेसिकली मेल जेनिटल ऑर्गन जो कि कॉपुलेशन की प्रोसेस में हेल्प करता है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड पेनिस, एंड इट हेल्प्स इन द इजेकुलेशन ऑफ द स्पर्म आउटसाइड द बॉडी. यानी स्पर्म को इजेकुलेट करने में, इजेक्शन करने में हेल्प करता है. नाउ अलॉन्ग विथ दीज ट्यूब्स or external genital organ, some accessory glands are also helpful in the process of reproduction process, and these are also included in the human male reproductive system. Now what are these? The first one is seminal vesicle. Seminal human male has a pair of thin walled muscular elongated sac like structures, ठीक है, which is called seminal vesicle, and it helps in the nourishment of the sperm. ठीक है, because it releases seminal plasma, and the seminal plasma helps in the nourishment of the sperm. ठीक है, and the second one is called prostate gland. Prostate gland are present in the human male reproductive system, and they produce a fluid which is released in the urethra along with the secretion of the seminal vesicle. ठीक है, the secretion of the accessory gland together with the sperm are called semen. तो means जो आपका prostate gland है, prostate gland is also located in the human male reproductive system, and they release a fluid along with the seminal plasma. ठीक है, and they also help in the ejaculation of sperm too. तो both the fluid, either it is released from the seminal vesicle or prostate gland, are combinedly called as semen. ठीक है, and finally what is sperm? Sperm are the tiny bodies which contain male, basically mainly the genetic material which comes from the father, and it finally fuses with the female gamete ovum, and in the process of fertilization and forms zygote. So this is all about human male reproductive system. If you are feeling any difficulty in any topic, you can ask me. ठीक है, once again I will meet you in the next video to discuss female reproductive system. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.